Chiefs and Bucks in hot pursuit of Zimbabwe ace. Amakosi and Orlando Pirates may be turning their attention to a prolific winger who currently showcases his talent at Jwaneng Galaxy, the Soccer Crew understands. Soso Giants may be turning their attention to Zimbabwean winger Daniel Msendami. Sources close to the player and both mighty Soto Giants clubs have indicated that Msendami, a key figure in the Zimbabwe national team, is being closely monitored by two giants of South African football. Msendami, whose contract with Jwaneng Galaxy is set to expire at the end of this month, made a memorable impact against Pirates by scoring the decisive goal in the CAF Champions League encounter in Botswana last year. This performance have evidently caught the eye of both Chiefs and Pirates, with the player now fighting himself at the center of the potential transfer battle. Msendami has been very impressive in the recent concluded Botswana League season, contributing significantly to joining Galaxy League title defense, and that underscore his potential value to either Chiefs or Pirates. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.